Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Armstrong, and today we're talking about Dr. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. The idea that there's 8 and possibly even 9 different ways of using our potential, using our minds to solve problems and to create products that are culturally meaningful. And one of the applications that is most useful in this theory is to use it in a way that you can learn something new. And you can basically take anything that you want to learn and think about the ways in which you might learn that thing through each of the 8 intelligences. I don't advise that people learn through all 8, but they should think at least of the possibilities. So let's say I wanted to learn a new language. Well, through Word Smart, that would involve a lot of memorization. Through Picture Smart, I might want to create pictures of the words or visualize the words. For Body Smart, I might want to create gestures for the words or act them out and take a little video of reminding myself of what that particular foreign language word might be. For Music Smart, now there's a very interesting approach to learning foreign languages that actually uses music, where the teacher says the words and the definitions in rhyme to some background music that is usually in 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In fact, Pachelbel's Canon in D is a really good piece to use as a background while repeating these words. So we can use this model to learn new languages, to learn to fuse in our minds foreign language words to pictures, to physical experiences, to emotional experiences. We should be thinking about experiences in our lives that link to our languages. In fact, I just had a dream the other day where I was speaking to somebody in French. It's amazing what we can do in our dreams. So in these different ways, we know that studying is more than just memorizing through words, that we need to expand our reach to embrace all of the intelligences so that we can really learn something in an efficient and long-lasting way. For more information about the theory of multiple intelligences, see my books, 7 Kinds of Smart, Identifying and Developing Your Multiple Intelligences. That's for adult learners and high school and college students. My book, Multiple Intelligences in the Classroom. This is for the K-12 teacher. And In Their Own Way, Discovering and Encouraging Your Child's Multiple Intelligences. And this is designed specifically for parents. Thank you.